blazing up a microphone like nothing ever shown. Cause every tone up, yeah, I kill, and then I chill still. Still what is left is what I like. If you don't agree, psych, cause I ain't got time to play with you. There are other things I have to do. I could lecture you with my texture, but I'd rather manufacture a posse to like me for what I am. For all the rest I don't give a damn. I wanna be for real, for what it's worth. I wanna be down to earth, give in what I have inside, not the things that money buys. I'll play for keeps, but I'll play it right. That's why I'll just sit and fight. So all you play actors and fakes, let me show you what it takes. I'm just one of a three-man band, and we're backed by Dope the Man. Back, cause when I'm on track, we're gonna dance and party hard, yeah. Cause I'm doing and feeling so real and appealing. You can touch the ceiling, yes. Cause the rhythm takes your soul, makes you lose control. So if you got second thoughts, you better pack. Cause time is what I lack, time to make you see. I'm not doing this for me, this is all for you, so help me out. Get down and shout, yo, yes, the rest is up to you. It ain't hard, just try to do what you do best when you hear me go on the dopest flow, Joe. I won't settle for any less. Do your best, but I must confess, I am the type so hard to please. I'm ill, like a cold disease, so move your body from left to right. If you can, stay out of sight. If you can, come on, take a stand, cause we're back by Dope the Man. You're gonna fly into the sky, over the top, till the music drops. You know what I mean, that feeling, hard to stop feeling. Just to show who the hell you're dealing with. It's the mouth with the mastermind, one in a zillion, hard to find. Fusing with a heart to be tracked, staying with the pace so I never look back. Fucking up, that's a figure of speech, meaning the opposite out of reach. Right, y'all, that's what I'm saying. The cuts and even the words I'm displaying. From the lyrics, all star the hands. We're back by Dope the Man.
Je m'appelle Jason. Et aujourd'hui, première fois, on va organiser une battle de street dance. Et on va faire ça battle là pour qui tout le jeunes, hip-hop lovers, dance lovers, de réunir, montrer ce talent. Et qu'ensuite, être capable d'amener le niveau hip-hop haut dans Maurice. Tellement bon dans la danse, ça me pousse moi pour faire l'école, pour montrer aux gens qui ne connaissent c'est quoi le hip-hop, pour montrer cette culture là.